Come back. Now I'm going to start working with several Tkinter's codes 2.py file. Okay, so as always, so this is the second file now. As always, we start with importing from Tkinter. Well, ideally you would import what you need, but I'm just importing everything. Let me say, first define a function, say hi. All right. I'm defining a function, say hi, doesn't take any parameters. It says print hi there everyone. It's just a simple print function. Open your window. Now you construct your window saying all right. Now frame. Okay, frame. It's a new widget. So in the previous codes we saw canvas. Here frame. So construct a frame in the root. All right. So what is a frame? It is a simple container. All right. Now pack it. All right. So we want to pack frame.pack. We pack to make the frame visible. Note the pack method returns none. So one should really not do the following. Construct frame and pack in one method, in one line, because this will result in a none object, and none.pack doesn't mean anything. Okay, so would give you the reference to the frame you have just created. All right, so now build a button in your frame. Okay, button. So I'm calling it button. It is a button object which is in the frame. So you think of it as a budget widget, which is a child to the frame. Okay, button is a child of frame, just as frame itself was a child of root and so on. Okay, the text of my button is going to be hello world. FG stands for foreground color, right? Foreground, I'm making it red, and the command here is say hi. Notice command is say hi. Say hi is the function. So whenever you create a button, you're going to click on it. You're going to click on it, and when you click on it, it must do something. In this case, every time you click on this particular button, it's going to print hi there everyone. That's the point of it. Okay, now don't forget to pack your button. Okay, so pack your button, and don't forget the main loop. Main loop keeps it running. It's an infinite loop. It keeps your window running. All right, so a frame is a rectangular region on your screen. Frame widgets are used to group other widgets into complex layouts. Okay, so I'm packing the button side equals left. Well, I could have left it blank. Right now, I don't get, there is no difference here. You will see in a minute what I mean by that. So run it. All right, want you to save it. There you go. That's your window. So notice here is my shell and here is my window. So hello world is a button which is inside the frame, and the frame is inside the window root. All right. So every time I click on hello world, I get hi there everyone. I'm getting print out here. Okay, and output there. So at some point I'm going to kill it. Aha, it's done. All right. So What if I want to have two buttons? Say two buttons doing something else, right? So one button says hi, the other button says say quiet. All right. It is just an example. Print quiet, please. Okay. So I will do something similar here. Now I'll call this button 1 where I say hi. So I need to pack button 1. Let me construct button 2. Same process. Okay. So now this is, instead of saying hello world, I will say quiet, please. Right? And I don't want it to be red in color. Say I want it to be in blue color. And instead of say hi, I'm going to invoke the function say quiet every time I use the second button. And don't forget to pack it. Okay, so this was, the previous one was on the left. So say, let me say side equals right. It has to be capitalized, mind you. Used to be the case that small case worked. Now you need it to be capital uppercase. All right, sides, and then we are letting the main loop run. There you go. This is left, this is right. Every time I hit quiet please, it's going to print quiet please. Every time I say hello, it's going to say hi there, right? And so on. Now when I want it to stop, I do this. All right. Now here is yet another option. I want to quit from my buttons, using my buttons. So let me call it quit button. Okay. So this is going to be yet another button. Okay. And I want it to be, well, this was red, this was blue, so let me make it say green. And I want to say quit, or quit. All right. So it shouldn't go back to saying quiet. I want to quit. What is the command there? I haven't written any function. There is a nice command here for the quit, and that is frame.quit. Okay, so there is an inbuilt command which says frame.quit. All right, so don't forget to pack. Okay, so say I will pack it on the bottom. Save, now run. Okay, so quit did not really go to the bottom. So hello world, quit, quiet please. How did it not go to the bottom? It doesn't seem to work. That is left, right. Say I say top. Top is the default, by the way. So quit continues on the same line. Suppose I say right, quit continues right there, continues the same place. Left, right. Say I say left. Doesn't seem to do anything. Yeah, it's placing it right there. Anyhow, I'm quit it and it's out. If I kill it, no problem. Okay, now before I forget, I want to also include some root.destroy. Some environments require it. So you probably noticed my environment, Mac operating system, does not seem to require it, but some do. Okay, so remember that. I'll get back to you on the side story. But regardless, there is a very important source to learn about um, Tkinter side. Yeah, just click in Tkinter side equals something. You have many options. I liked the fboot Tkinter pack geometry manager. So this is an example of a geometry manager. There are many managers. One is the grid. The one we just saw was the pack. So I'll stop for now.